Hi folks, this is Max from DroidBionicRoot.com. So today I'm going to show you how to back up your latest rooted stock ROM. You might want to back it up just in case something goes wrong, or when you go unroot it, you'll want to restore it back to your stock ROM. Because if you're on another ROM, then it's, you can't really unroot it. You can unroot it, but you'll have another ROM. So here's how to do it. First, you'll need a rooted Droid Bionic and also Bootstrap application installed. I have links below if you haven't done those. Once you've done those, let's get into Clockwork Mod Recovery by starting Bionic Bootstrap, reboot into recovery, and your phone should reboot into Clockwork Mod Recovery, where we're gonna back up our current ROM. It's very simple. It takes just 5 seconds or 5 minutes. So I highly suggest you to do this right after you get the phone. Here, let me zoom in here with my Canon 70 DSLR camera. I highly recommend it, by the way. Go down to backup and restore, hit the power button. And also I forgot to tell you, make sure SD card, you have an SD card, because this Clockwork Mod Recovery only works with an SD card, external SD card. Go to backup, hit the power button, and it's backing up. This should take 5 minutes, and I'll be back when this is done. Hi folks, so backup is done. So anytime I need to restore my this backup, I can go, actually I'll restore it just to prove you that it works. You can get back in here, go to backup and restore, hit the power button, select restore, hit the power button, and this will give you different dates if you made multiple backups. And I made backup on September 17th and today at October 2nd, and I'll show you later how to change these folder names so it's more memorable. Anyway, I'm gonna restore it back to what I just backed up. Restore and hit restore, and this should take another 5 minutes too, and I'll be back. Hi folks, so restore is complete. We're gonna reboot, and I'm gonna show you that I made a backup and restored it. Hi folks, so I rebooted. Everything's working fine. It's just I restored my current ROM. Anyway, let me show you how to change the folder name. Get the ES File Explorer from the market. It's free, and you can open up the app, and all your ROM backups are stored under your SD card. This is actually the internal storage. So let's go up a level here, and you can go to SD card ext. That's the actual SD card. The SD card is internal. Go to SD card -ext, and go to Clockwork Mod directory. You can see it's Clockwork Mod, and go to backup, and that's the same directory where you backed up your stuff. So I'm just going to change this, rename it, and I'm going to add, after the date, I'm going to add stock. So that's my stock. Now I can, you can do this after you install new ROMs, and then I can rename it to, let's say, the best ROM, or alien ROM, and then you can have a bunch of backups, and you know how to identify, and you can go to Clockwork Mod Recovery and switch to different ROMs without reinstalling ROMs from scratch. Anyway, that's how you back up, restore ROMs on your Droid Bionic. Anyway, this is highly recommended. The first time you root your phone, just do this, and you'll always be able to go back if somehow you break your phone or something. Anyway, subscribe, check out DroidBionicRoot.com. I'll have more cool tips. See y'all later, and subscribe. Thanks.